What is up, guys? This is Cloud Destroyer. My friend Doge the Prankster is going to help me out. He wants me to shout out his YouTube because he's actually going to be giving me a Chroma Bone Blade for basically all of my items. But don't worry, still doing the giveaway. And I'm still going to have some stuff for the giveaway, for future giveaways. Bone Blade, Prankster on Google and click So do that. Hopefully this will do it because I have one of my Chromas back. Finally, I have a Chroma. I'm ahead and give him the rest of the stuff that I said I would give him. Alright, so this is actually a really good deal. He literally just helped me so much. I had gotten I got scammed recently. Gotta give him this. Just helped me so much. So I'm thankful. I helped him. I gave him a lot. Literally just for these things. I really appreciate it. He literally just gave me a whole freaking chrome. I put away most of my gaudies, but it's okay. Also, I completed the item. I got Santa's address. I forgot to tell you guys that. So once again, guys, make sure to go subscribe to him. Gun, but I'm gonna have my Chroma Bone Blade equipped. Now it's time to have a battle royale. I gotta get this guy. So I kind of want to win this one. I don't want to catch. I don't want to take the L. I want to get the dog. Like I said, I really appreciate what my friend does the to me. He literally practically gifted me. I think I probably paid him what, like 1,000 series. He's still owed him much. And I'm really grateful that someone voted. Of course. So now I have a Chroma. I'm slowly starting to regain now. Oh, he has 2 eternal things. Oh, there's the chromatizers to have. Whoa, Chroma's got like really some other stuff.